Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are continuing on from the last video, learning how to install fittings on waterline. Anyway, just moving right along, getting this one in, digging away. I wish I could dig that fast in real life. That'd be nice. That would be nice. Anyway, the total length of this video, it probably covers 4 to 5 hours. Somewhere in there. I cut a bunch of footage out so it didn't drag on forever, but get this first fitting in. Right there, we're pushing it into the pipe before it. I say 3 of these guys are still brand new learning. One of them has experience, so. And I'll have to apologize. I did some other explaining videos, regular videos, but they did not come out good. Apparently the GoPro had a bunch of settings changed on it somehow. Probably from when George was playing with it. Not really, George. But these time lapses, they ended up recording in photos instead of time-lapse video. So I'm glad it worked out right. I was able to piece them back together without too much hassle. Otherwise, we wouldn't have any of this video because I don't want to spend the time on it. Don't get paid for it. It's more of just showing you guys what we do on a day-to-day basis. So if there's anything you guys want to see that we do, put it in the comments. Right here we're getting the sand. We always 6 inches of sand underneath the pipe, 1 foot of sand above. So it's easier to put sand in before you put the pipe in. You can do it either way. Some people just lay it and still put the sand on and don't put any underneath. They just, what gets under gets under. But we like to do stuff as close to the specs as we can. So this fitting here, it probably takes about 20 minutes for a fitting to put together. Again, this is their second fitting that they've done. All of them but Wesley. George has done a few, I guess, before when he worked with us before. So I guess 2 of them have experience out of the 5. 5th one is in the water truck, counting him too. I don't know if he ever stopped and watched to learn, but so right here in this video, as you're about to see, I did a cardinal sin. Didn't check my parts. Thought we had a 22 on here, so right there we just stabbed it home. Then we get out to check it, move over to center, and realize we don't have the right fitting on there. So without looking or anything, double checking, I just assumed that we got the right parts and put it together. So right here we're gonna take it back out and go get the new part and put it back in. So just wasted half hour of time, and now we get to deal with grease all over everything when we put the new fitting on. We ended up not using the fitting or the bolts or mega lugs. just went with new, but the pipe had enough on it that it still ended up getting everywhere. That grease is no joke. It's like anise-seeds. Whoever's used anise-seeds, it just gets everywhere. We got that in, got our other parts. Got that in. Dig to this next corner right here. We'll get this one in. Oh, computer's jumping off, attacking me. Anyway, we're just going to do this voiceover on this clip. So, hope you all enjoy it. We'll see how it turns out. I don't like doing this. I'd rather just describe it in the videos and piece it together. Saves me a lot of time editing. So. Oh, this is a full stick. The next one will be our fitting. So each set takes us approximately 10 minutes to 20 minutes, depending on teaching the guys whatever, the hardness of the ground. There's a lot of variables, but you can lay a lot of pipe real fast. Well, this day I think we laid, forget how much we laid, 280 feet. Got started late teaching all the new guys, and we got messed up on parts given to us, so we had a few hours that were non-productive. Most people saying, why don't we just bolt it up in the trench? Well, you could just put it all together and do it in the trench and stuff, but that's a lot of work. So right there we didn't get it in, but that's in right now, and we're just digging away. Right here it's about 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon. About this is our 7th stick of the day. It's 140 feet in, 20-foot sticks. So now we laid I can't remember. It's been too long. This is why I don't like doing this after the fact. I think we laid just over 300, just under 300 feet. So doubled our pipe. Took an hour and a half to finish the run out up to where we got to, and then we had a sewer line we were crossing, waiting for the city to tell us whether we could go over or under, how they wanted it. So it shut down a minute for there, and luckily we waited because they allowed us to go over, which is a lot easier than going under, thankfully. So sometimes it pays to be a little patient and just stand around for a minute, because it would have taken a lot more time going under than it would have just waiting the hour that we waited.
What's up with it?